you? It's so good to see you today.
I just want to tell you, I just ate about 30 pot stickers.
Should we get you a chair?
Yeah, exactly. I need to sit down now.
Lisa Lasorte, everybody. She is the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting at Temp-tations. And this is a brand that over the last 17 years, more than 18.8 million sets have already made their way out the door into America's homes. This is a great accompaniment piece.
Oh my gosh.
And entertaining piece at a very low price on your screen. Now, it is customer top rated, but we cannot do this again. There is no reorder planned. But let's talk about the cute patterns and what we're getting.
And it's the perfect time of the year. If you've never tried Temp-tations, try it in a seasonal pattern because you just pop it on your table. It's so much fun. Let me show you the patterns quickly just because we are retiring the set.
Okay.
And we even have some other ones online that are so much fun. But the shell shape, right?
Yeah.
Floral lace a summer right there with the beautiful engraving on the outside. All the detail right there of the beading at the top. And then, Mary, look at the inside and the shape of the shell. Yeah. I'm obsessed, right?
So cute.
Then it comes with 2 matching ramekins, and I love ramekins. My sister-in-law was actually over for dinner last night, and I had about 6 ramekins out, and she's like, they're the cutest things.
Is that Miss Janine?
That was Miss Janine.
Sweetest lady.
I know, right?
Yes.
So we had it with things like jams and jellies and nuts and things like that. 2 of those, 8 ounces. Then you're getting the matching spoon because everybody needs the perfect utensil. I'm not done. You're also getting
Still going.
a beautiful embroidered napkin right there. So if I want to do like warm pastries or rolls, and you're getting 2 recipes. You are getting strawberry ladyfinger icebox cake and grilled Mexican street corn.
Ooh, yum, elotes.
Isn't that awesome?
So good. Now, this is the summer choice.
This is summer.
Is this?
Firework. It's our patriotic.
Love it.
Isn't that so pretty? Now listen, I know so many of you love that red, white, and blue theme, and very honestly, we are sold out of almost everything in our floral lace firework.
We made her eat 30 pot stickers, and then we had her speak for 8 minutes straight. So
awesome.
those are the first 2 choices.
Yes.
And then we also have...
Oh, look at our fish down here.
Oh, I love these.
This is ocean fetty.
little
I love
shapes.
this. I'm going to tip it so you can actually see that gorgeous fish shape. Notice how there's natural handles at the tail and at the top of the fish. Hand painting on the inside or the outside. The 2 matching ramekins, which I'm obsessed with as well. The spoon, and you get that great little napkin as well.
Wait a minute.
What?
I don't know why. I
What
just had
happened?
this idea. What if you bought this set, right, and somebody was expecting their first child?
Yes.
You could make a school of fish celebration cake.
Look how cute that
Wouldn't
would
that
be.
be adorable?
Oh.
So then you could put, you know, a big cake in here and the smaller cakes in here. I'm loving this whole concept.
I love that.
Customer top rated, no reorder. The comparable retail value for
Yes.
everything that we're getting in this offer is $45.
Yeah.
Okay. We have it for a clearance price of $23.40. But
I didn't even see the price. What?
everything in the show is on 4 easy
gosh.
payments or more. This is on 4 easy payments of $5.85.
Wow. What? That's
And
amazing.
it is customer top rated, but there's no reorder plan. So we love Temp-tations.
Yes.
Can this set still go into the oven and the freezer and the dishwasher and the microwave?
Exactly, and that's
Okay.
what we love about Temp-tations. Oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave safe.
Is there something in the oven?
There
I'll grab
is.
it for you if you want me to.
I'd love that.
Okay.
Refrigerator safe, freezer safe. But you know what it does? It adds character to your table. So when you want to have smiles and memories that last a lifetime, instead of having maybe the plastic, the metal, things like that, notice how Mary's coming from the oven. It's hard to believe that something that's hand painted, right? All the beauty of this is functional as well. Yeah.
Is that seafood dip?
It is a hot crab dip.
Oh,
So it's like,
yum.
I know, look at this, Mary. Pulls right away from the side. This is what we love about it, but this is also so much fun to have a shape like this. And then all my accessories can fit in these 8-ounce ramekins. Yeah.
Do we get that?
You do.
You get the recipe for this dip. This is called, specifically on this particular card.
Yeah.
It's called hot shrimp cocktail
Yum.
dip. And you're getting that recipe when you order that option. So this particular option is called Ocean Fetty. Now, this particular option is called Firework. Now, I know Christmas in July is right around the corner.
Yes.
Just so you know, we're showcasing these 3 options in particular on air. But online, if you wanted to shop a little Christmas in July early,
Yeah.
you can find festive, gingerbread, nutcracker, buffetti, and snowman.
Really? That's fantastic.
And Buffetti's for Halloween. I know it's not for Christmas in July, but you know, I'm shopping all the seasons at once.
Especially since it's a retiring set and we're not going to make it again. You can think gift. I love the fact that when I have things like this, I'm going to walk on over because I have a cannoli dip right here.
Oh.
And Mary, we know you can't have the cannoli chips, but you could have it with a strawberry.
Sweet.
So we have chocolate cannoli filling. We have vanilla cannoli filling. And when you think about all of those things that need to be kept cold in the summertime, stoneware is going to keep hot, hot. It's going to keep cold, cold. But what it's going to give you is an amazing presentation on your table. Yeah. How's that?
So good.
That's hard to eat, isn't it? Exactly.
Such a tough gig.
It's so
Really
tough,
a tough
isn't
gig.
it? Absolutely. And the recipe for this is you're going to get that Butterfinger, that lady finger cake. And for the patriotic one, the floral lace firework, you get the Mexican street corn.
Yum.
Imagine this on your 4th of July table.
You know what? I think a lot of us are, because the firework choice is very, very popular in the Kitchen with Mary this afternoon.
Is that right?
Everything that Lisa is about to show you in this set is $23.40. So the fact that I'm getting 3 pieces, a spoon, a napkin, and a recipe, this is also a great hostess gift.
Yes,
if
it
you're
is.
not hosting this year, take this with you. But it's customer top rated. So can we go through each choice again?
Absolutely. So here's that beautiful floral lace firework, that great star shape, perfect for Americana and those great holidays. The inside of the dish right there, you can see the beautiful hand painting. Notice right here the beading at the top. Mary, the detail in here is amazing. It gives it that beautiful scalloped edge. And these fireworks, here are my nails, they're literally engraved right into the side of the dish. That's a 2-quart capacity. Then we're going to give you the matching 8-ounce ramekins. I love how we did the big dish, the 2-quart in the red, and then the ramekins, we did the blue on the outside. You're getting 2 of these. You're getting a matching spoon that is stainless right down here on the handle, and then silicone. Most places you would see maybe just the beautiful embellishment on one side. We do it on both sides. So no matter how you look at it, it looks gorgeous. Then a matching napkin that has embroidery right down here and a recipe. We have it available in the patriotic. You've been busy.
I've been handing out cannolis. You can't walk cannolis through a Philly set and not hand them out to your friends. They, you know.
How was it, Chris?
What?
He can't talk.
What? I know.
He can't talk.
He's eating pot stickers and cannolis.
All the pot stickers? Passed.
Best day ever. Wow.
Good.
Wow.
Perfect.
Goodness.
Then we have that beautiful floral lace summer pattern. So if you have a beach house or maybe a pool, how gorgeous it would be. And then down in front, we have the fish shape. We call that ocean fetty. The teals, I love it. The eggplant, the lime green.
The little school of fishes.
The little school of fish. What if someone was having twins?
I love that. I love that idea.
You gotta be thinking.
Come on.
Right?
This is customer top rated,
Yeah.
and there's no reorder plan. $23.40 from Temp-tations. I mean, we are go-to for tabletop. K46944. My friend, thank you.
So nice
Always
to
so
see
good to see you.
you.
Oh, I hope you and Janine have fun today.
We're going to, and you know what? I'm gonna see you Wednesday.
Oh,
Oh, yes, I am.
something.
Oh, actually, with some basket weave firework.
I like that.
Yep.
I like that. Thank